Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Osmers and today I want to present you my paper, Getting Out of Sight. In our paper, we were dealing with the research question reading as follows: which support for awareness and orientation is provided by AR mechanisms or combinations of them in occluded multi-room settings? According to this, we conducted a user study looking at occluded multi-room settings, where in an office building we had 4 rooms in total, where participants were not able to see each other from one room to another. In this experiment area, participants in groups of 4 had to find virtual cubes and retrieve them either alone or with the help of somebody else, which would then look like this, as you can see in the picture. We provided AR mechanisms to help them, 7 different conditions of those mechanisms in total, 3 individual mechanisms, 3 combinations of them, and 1 control condition where they had no additional help. Then we were looking at utility, usability and user preference, social presence and task load of participants. Having a closer look at those AR mechanisms for the HoloLens, we can have a look at the map, also implemented by Lee and Funk. It is an automatically generated top-down view of the surrounding area. And here you can see that cubes are represented as squares and players as circles in their respective colors. X-ray, also discussed by Livingston, is a filter that allows players to see other players as playing pieces or cubes through walls. The compass, which is also implemented by Feiner, is a so-called compass needle that is always pointing in the right direction where the search object or the cube is at. And here you can see the small compass needle. Up here is a small blue square, the same color as the cube. And this compass needle also starts glowing up as soon as the cube is close by to the participant. Now looking at the results, we can have a look at the user preference, where we can see that map was the most preferred mechanism of all, and regarding combinations, the combination of X-ray and map was also the most preferred combination. Those 2 findings are also supported by significant differences regarding utility and usability. The control condition wasn't picked at all. However, it was perceived as the most mentally demanding one and got the highest rating of social presence. The map mechanism was the only one reaching similar levels regarding social presence. This may lead to an interesting conclusion that better support seems to be somehow related to lower social presence and vice versa. But this, however, needs to be investigated further in other research. Thank you very much for listening. Please feel free to ask questions or visit our websites and look into the paper. On our website you can find an extended video about the experiment. Thank you very much.